the awnings on the exterior of the house, so all of the overhangs that go around the bedroom, around the front door area, and then on both sides of the house. We installed 4 of the windows in the great room, the 4 windows that create kind of the vertical tracks running across the space. It was actually a very productive week compared to what we had during the quarter. Okay, how does that? Yeah, pushing. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, the awnings have been quite a challenge, and that's always a danger with working with wood because they're all constructed out of 2x4, 2x8, 2x6, and wood, just because it's a natural material, has a lot of bends and it warps, and it never quite behaves the way you want it to. So we've had to reframe, take down, put up again all those awnings, probably at least 2 or 3 times each, just to correct imperfections in the wood. That's just the nature of them, though.
These things are separate pieces for each side of the house, and it takes and they weigh 100 pounds at least, and the biggest one was probably 300 pounds. So it's really challenging. It's how do you get from it on the ground onto the side of the house and keep it there. So what we had to do is we had to build a scaffolding frame up, and then pull the thing up with ropes, lay it on top, screw it in, and the first 2 went fine. There was a lot of work, but they went okay. The third one we thought went in fine, and what happened was we put it up, and then the next day someone said, "Oh, it's too high. It's like 1.5 feet too high."
What happened?
So they needed to move the awning down 1.5 feet. So they had like 5 people on the roof, and then they had 3 guys unscrew the awning that was already in place, and then raise it up. So they all had to lift it up, and then the 5 guys pulled in, and now it's resting on the roof.
We got that one fixed. That one's done. So it's 3 out of 5 are done.
Oh shit!
No issues there. And so tomorrow, our last day of construction for the week is going to be hopefully putting up those awnings. Again, putting up those last 2 ones, and doing the fire suppression.
The first one was really slow, and then we started to get better. To know where to put it, we need to put some insulation around it. Then we need to put ceiling, a base, and then the frame of the window, and screw it.
Most of the students out there had never installed windows before, but we had good instructions. We had a couple of other good students who were leading that process, and those went in just really easy. So everybody did a great job there. They're nicely sealed, they're nicely installed. Well, next week we still have 1 more awning to put up. But exciting today that we got the sill pans delivered for the clear story windows. So this weekend we're going to cut the trim for all of that, and we're going to put all those windows in at the beginning of next week. We're also going to start putting the siding on the house. It'll take a couple weeks, but the house will look really different when that's all done.
Yeah.
Had the awning up, had to take it off, drop the frame.
Let's wait for this to not get there.
The ice cream truck.
Yeah.
That's what that is.